Hello to all the officials out there. Spiritual law was supposed to come into practice a long time ago. Under spiritual law, you guys would have been able to be allowed to take tips and things of that nature. And you would have not have had to repay them at all whatsoever. But since we now know that blocking spiritual law is also blocking who you are as to be seen for who you are. The only thing that I can get from spiritual law not being brought into practice, when I tried to sign those papers and was blocked from being able to do so, only so other individuals could sign over top of me. Now we know the real reason why nobody knows anybody. We also know the real reason why nobody is their self. I'm just over here hoping, praying, and wishing that everybody else, because I've already done so, that everybody else in this lifetime find who they really are. Whether it's your soul that you need to find, whether it's your mind, your body, your heart, your spirit, whether internal or external to you. Just know that there's somebody out here that's praying for you, that's rooting for you to be who you are. And sometimes we must be able to see the fact that we're unable to be who we are unless, for some, the whole world moves forward in order to allow us to have that space to move forward and step into who we are.